Hey guys, so today we're gonna assemble a mini insect enclosure that I just got from Amazon, expecting my beautiful mantises. Now, for those of you who don't know, I might actually get some orchid mantises soon. And I do wanna have like smaller enclosures for them because they're gonna be tiny. Putting them in my terrariums is not ideal with feeding. So I decided to get the highest rated little enclosure that I found on Amazon, and we're gonna assemble it today and see what it's all about. By the way, it also came with this kind of a scissor-like grabber thing. I totally forgot about these because I misplaced them, but it also comes with an artificial plant that I may or may not use, and also a little pair of tweezers, which don't look half bad, do they? Really neat. Plus that scissor thing, you do get quite a lot for the price. So let's just unpack this really fast. Alright, so first and foremost, we need to tear off the protective films on both sides of the acrylic boards, which, yeah, they all have this film. Oh, they don't have a lifted edge that I can pull on. It's just going to have to be my nails, which are already broken like nothing else. I break my nails on the regular. There we go. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do this off camera because I have quite a lot of panels, so I won't bore you. I'll be with you in a second. Alrighty, took a while, but I did it. Fun fact, you should always check the bad reviews on Amazon because some of them are hilarious. Somebody was saying that the enclosure is nice, but it's too milky. Literally forgetting the first step of the instructions. So not all bad reviews are actually bad reviews. Right, next up, assemble the product according to the following acrylic board number. Let's see, 1, bottom. I found the bottom. This is the bottom. Fix the rubber band at the special place as shown in figure 1. So we put them together. There we go. Like a little puzzle, and we fix this. Ooh, this one is a little broken. I'm not gonna use this one. Hopefully I have a surplus of them. Oh, there you go. Okay, this is what I'm supposed to do. So I'm gonna assemble everything as such, and wherever I have these meeting points, I'm gonna put a rubber band. Oops, stay there. This one will fit a little tighter in, but it fits. There you go. Take out the buckle that's with the magnetic block, okay, and install it on the top acrylic board, number 6. Fix with rubber band as shown in figure 2. Oh, I see, it has a little magnet actually. Gonna fix it with the band. Hey, sit, please. Don't embarrass me, I'm filming. All right. Oh, and this one needs to go in these little holes here, like that. And it's, well, kind of sits. Oh, wait, I think it's me. I think the magnets don't attract each other, they repel each other. So if I spin this around, will that fix it? Big brain energy. There you go. So obviously magnets have 2 sides. It is wonderful, you guys. It's great. And yes, I do have a lot of spare little elastics. And there you have it, a cute tiny enclosure for some small mantises. It is ideal to put them in smaller enclosures because it's much easier for them to find food. Mantises will not typically run for their food. They're not gonna chase it like that. They will sit still, pretend they're a leaf or a flower, depending on the variety, and let the prey come to them. So obviously, the bigger the box, the less often the prey will come their way. So it is better to keep them in a tinier enclosure, at least for now. So I will go ahead when the time comes and put some decorations, some sticks. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use real plants anymore, given the experience that I had, but we're gonna see. I'll see how I decorate it and I will take you along. But for now, this has been my little review of this enclosure. It is fantastic. Yeah, I like it. And that little trick with the magnet, If you ever order this and it doesn't close, just switch it. Alrighty, so you have links to the product down below. It's from Amazon. I'll try to find links for USA and Europe as well. And with that said, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.